Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Haris Azubairi from 7.5. Today, I will tell about edgy reading. The title is My Favorite Things. Oh boy, my favorite thing has to be my new tablet. It's really light and quite small. So, I take it with me everywhere. I'm always writing message to friends and it's big enough to do college work on it too. It takes really good photos and I play games and listen to music on it as well. Of course, I often download films onto it and watch them in bed. My mom says I'm addicted because I'm always on it. I even read things on it at breakfast time. I'm not allowed to at dinner time. Third, I have to be polite and talk to people. Then, welcome back to my real life. My mom says, B. Girl, my favorite thing. Does my cat count as a thing? She's not really a thing. But anyway, she a really beautiful little cat. I've had her since she was 4 months old. You know how some cats are really independent and hardly talk to you. I know cats don't really talk, but you know what I mean. When she not like that at all. She really affectionate and comes up to me as soon as I get home, purring away like mad. She makes a lot of noise for a tiny thing. She loves being stroked and comes and curls up next to the me when I'm on the sofa. She great company. See, boy, my new scooter. It's quite small, but fun. And just is what I needed for getting around the city. I used to have quite a long walk to the metro, then a longish walk at the other end to get to college. But now I can just whiz there on my scooter, and there's no problem parking. There's always space for it. You have to be careful with the cars and lorries. They don't always see you. And when it's rain, the surface on of the road is terrible. It gets really slippery, but in general is perfect for me. And I can fit friend on the back too. I forgot an extra helmet for a friend. It's a great. Riding along makes me feel so free. D. Girl. This might sound a bit old fashioned, but my sewing machine is my favorite thing. I'm studying fashion and love making things, as well as designing them. I also love clothes myself and often buy secondhand is clothes. Everyone love the vintage. Look at the moment. and then I adapt them to my size. It's much easier using a machine to do that than doing it by hand. I do alternations for my mom and my sister too. If I don't make it as a designer, as I suppose I can always set up my own alterations and customizing business. Customing clothes by taking things off and adding this on. This actually very creative. So I would mind that. E. Boy. My set of Japanese knives. That sounds a bit sinister, doesn't it? But I'm not a murderer or anything. They're chef knives and the best ones come from Japan. Cooking is my new hobby. I got into it when I started watching MasterChef on TV. Then I went to a evening class for beginners and I haven't looked back since. I train and have a dinner for between 4 and 8 friends every 2 or 3 weeks. That gives me something to work towards, and I always knew this so they can try them out and give me feedback. It's quite an expensive hobby if you use good ingredients. But now my friends help towards the cost. They still get a good meal for a very low price. And that's thing I think enough. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.